Let us study the difference between needs and wants. What are needs? Basic necessities or requirements to survive are called needs, like air to breathe, food to eat, house to live in, clothes to wear, and water to drink. What are wants? Wants are things which we love to have but can survive without them. Wants make our life more enjoyable and comfortable, like telephone, computer, books, television, car, etc. Dear students, our wants are unending. Do you know, students, from where and how we satisfy our wants? We can do it only from our natural environment. With the increasing population and these increasing wants, our natural resources are getting used up very fast. Forests are being cut down to create houses, colonies, factories, etc. Trees are cut down to make furniture and paper. Our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said, "This world contains enough for everyone's needs, but not for everyone's greed." So we need to control our wants and control our greedy demands for more and more and more. Next is pollution. Pollution happens when something harmful enters the environment and spoils it. Things that do not decay, like plastics, pollute the environment. Our greed for more and more things is polluting the environment. We want more cars, but smoke from the cars is polluting the air. We want more clothes and computers, but waste from the factories producing these goods is polluting our rivers and seas. Farmers are polluting the soil by using chemical fertilizers to grow more crops.